Corey. I'll show you, I'll try to remember like 2 or 3 exercises that really help. First one, actually, it's really annoying to do it and it's repetitive, but it's just chromatics. But there's a twist to it. Instead of just going, you know, which is retarded, you know, what you do is you add another note. So you'll start on 1, for example. You'll hit all the way down to 4, just using your pinky, and then you'll start the chromatic scale. So, and then you do the same thing but backwards. So you'll start with 4, 1, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. So that one's hard. Yeah, forgive me. I haven't played guitar in like 2 weeks almost now, so I'm actually warming up. But that's one of my warm-ups. And just doing that, like using your pinky that one extra time, the dun 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 dun, you're using your pinky muscle more than any other finger, so it's actually working out your pinky. And you can do that with every finger. So like, for example, if you wanted to do your ring finger or your index or middle finger, you can just do the same exact pattern starting from the different spots. So you'd be, for the ring finger, 1, 3, 1. What that really does is it builds independence in each finger. But also a very important thing that nobody really tends to think about is the muscle memory in the back of your hand and what your hand looks like in certain positions. So if you only practice in this position for that exercise, your hand will only be used to doing that, and you won't have to think about it in your brain only for that spot. See how the hand is stretched out? If you go all the way down here, look at the back of my hand, it's completely different. It uses different muscle fibers to do it. So it's really important to go in every spot. Like you literally do that in every spot you can think of and just repeat it over and over again. So annoying and it's so monotonous, but it really, really, really helps. So like now down here, going I mean, relatively easy. So that's the first exercise. The second exercise, I learned from Aaron Marshall from Intervals. I don't know if you know who that is, but he used to be like my favorite guitar player ever. But he showed a really cool warm-up that he does, slash exercise. I don't even know if I can do it right now. But it's pretty much a chromatic again. But what you're doing is you're going diagonal through the strings. So, and it makes a really gross sounding chord. But the trick is, it's not supposed to sound good, but the trick is to actually keep your first and your fourth planted where they are, and then switch the 2 fingers in the middle. And then keeping your 2 middle fingers planted, switch your 1 and your 4. And then switch your middle again. That was really good for getting my hands used to like the weird positionings, which is really useful for like your minor arpeggio. So that position right there. That's the same thing as. You get what I'm saying? So that really helped, and that's literally almost the same fingering as the minor. What's one more? What is one more? Oh, practicing for sweeping. The biggest thing, obviously, is meeting these 2 hands together. But one thing that I did to practice was to actually not even fret or use this hand at all, and to start from, you know, work your way through the strings. Let me try to see if I can make this sound good. It sounds really fucking gross, but what you want to focus on is trying to hit each of the strings evenly and each of the strings in a timely fashion. Like, I was actually kind of doing that badly because it's been a while, but like that. And then once you can get it to, you know, enough. Yeah, see, I still haven't warmed up yet, so I kind of apologize. Terrible fucking guitar tone. Alright, let me fix this real quick. Less lows. Highs up a little bit. That's pretty much it. And another thing that, you know, you can really focus on is like the machine gun reading and I guess just really machine gun reading and galloping. Just doing that forever will literally just, you just have to make sure that you hit each one equally. And obviously the gallops. And then you know, your triplets. Quadruplets and so on. Hopefully it helps you out a little bit, man. If I remember anything else, I'll try to make another video, and hopefully I explained everything well. Sorry for the sloppy playing, dude.